is a tricky one, kettlebell swings. This can be simple if you make it simple. We're gonna start with the kettlebell out in front. You're gonna hike it back like a football, and then from there, it's just hips forward, hips backwards. Push the kettlebell forward with your hips, and then on the way back down, pull it in right under your hips. Keep it close so where it's not going all the way down like that. And just think of a forward and backwards movement here. So we're gonna inhale, hike, push it forward, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then when you're done, you can let it come back to the starting position. So you wanna find a rhythm. Try not to lift with your arms. And when it wants to come back in, pull it back in. So try not to hold it up with your arms. All right, get to practicing.